Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Voice not available in your country. So first up, what you can try is using a VPN or a virtual private network, which can mask your actual location and make it appear as though you're accessing the internet from a country where Google Voice is available, such as the USA. Next, you can also try getting a US-based virtual phone number. So some services offer virtual phone numbers based in the US. You can use one of these numbers to set up Google Voice. Then you can also try Google Workspace, or formerly known as G Suite. If you have a Google Workspace account, you might be able to access Google Voice through the business version, which has a broader availability. And then finally, you can also try checking some alternative services. If these options don't work, you can consider the likes of Skype or WhatsApp for similar functionalities. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.